In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF document directly in Gemini AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take content generated in Gemini and turn it into a polished PDF you can download and share. First, open your Gemini account. Make sure you're signed in and connected to a stable internet connection so your work saves properly. Once you're in, you'll see the prompt box where you can type what you want Gemini to generate. Enter your prompts clearly and specifically, then give it a moment to produce the result. Be patient here. Larger or more detailed prompts can take a little longer. Review the output on the screen to ensure it says exactly what you want in your final document. When the content looks good, look toward the bottom of the Gemini response for the three-dot menu. Click those three dots to open the options. From the list, choose Export to Docs. This sends the generated content into a document format so it's easier to save as a PDF. Gemini will create a new document for you, typically in your connected Docs account, and you'll see a link or button to open it. Open the document in Docs. Take a quick look to confirm the text, spacing, and headings appear the way you expect. Minor differences in formatting can happen when exporting, so this is a good moment to make sure everything reads cleanly. Next, at the top of the Docs window, click File. From the File menu, go to Download. In the Download options, select the choice to export or download as a PDF. This converts your document into a PDF file while preserving your layout as much as possible. Your browser will begin downloading the PDF, or it will prompt you to choose a save location. Once it finishes, you can open the PDF on your device to verify that the formatting and content look right. If you need to make a quick change, just go back to the Docs version, update the text, and repeat the download to PDF step. That's it. Open your Gemini account, enter your prompt, and wait for the output. Use the three-dot menu to export to Docs, then, in Docs, click File, choose Download, and select PDF. You now have a clean, shareable PDF generated from your Gemini content. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating your PDFs directly from Gemini.